Hello, in this lesson, we're going to solve some problem sums involving addition and subtraction. Girl, look at this problem sum. Lucy had 1,367 beads and her brother had 1,237. Together, they lost 678 beads. How many beads were left? There are various ways of solving this problem, Girl. What will you do?
I have to find the total number of beads Lucy and her brother had at first. I do that by adding 1,367 to 1,237. The answer is 2,604. They have 2,604 beads altogether.
How many beads were left then?
To find the remaining number of beads, I have to subtract the number of lost beads from the total number of beads. 2,604 minus 678 is 1,926. There were 1,926 beads left.
Good work, Girl. Try the next question. A box contained only red and blue marbles. There were 1,360 red marbles in the box. When 150 more marbles were put in the box, the total number of marbles in the box was 4,485. How many blue marbles were in the box at first?
It's rather difficult. I do not know where to start.
Girl, the total number of marbles, including the 150 marbles which were added, is 4,485. Can you find the total number of marbles before the extra marbles were added?
I think I need to take away the extras, so 4,485 minus 150 equals to 4,335. There were 4,335 marbles in the box at first.
What would you do next, Girl?
Looking at the model, I know that there were 1,360 red marbles, and there were 4,335 marbles altogether at first. I know, since there were only red and blue marbles, if I take away the red marbles, I will know the number of blue marbles. Thus, 4,335 minus 1,360 equals 2,975. There were 2,975 blue marbles in the box at first.
Brilliant, Girl. Let's look at the next sum. In a concert, 2,980 adult tickets were sold. 564 fewer children tickets than adult tickets were sold. How many tickets were sold altogether?
I know that 2,980 adult tickets were sold. The number of children tickets sold was 564 less than adult tickets.
Good. Are you able to find out the number of children tickets sold?
564 tickets lesser than adult tickets. That means to subtract. 2,980 minus 564 equals 2,416. This means that 2,416 children tickets were sold.
So to find the total number of tickets,
I have to add up the number of adult tickets and children tickets. 2,980 plus 2,416 equals 5,396. 5,396 tickets were sold altogether.
Fantastic, Girl. You are getting to be good at this.
Thanks, teacher. Let me try another problem.
Why don't you try this one? A storybook salesman sold 1,290 more storybooks last year than this year. If he sold 3,468 storybooks last year, how many storybooks did he sell altogether in the 2 years?
I know that the number of storybooks sold last year was 3,468, and he sold less storybooks this year than last year. So I take 3,468 minus 1,290, which is equal to 2,178. This year, he sold 2,178 storybooks. Finally, I add the number of storybooks sold last year to the number sold this year. 3,468 plus 2,178 equals 5,646. The salesman sold 5,646 storybooks in 2 years.
Well done, Turbo Girl. As we can see, solving problem sums is not that difficult. Just remember these 3 steps. 1. Understand. Read the problem carefully and identify the important information. Take this question for example. Lucy had 1,367 beads and her brother had 1,237. They lost 678 beads. How many beads were left? The important information is Lucy 1,367, brother 1,237, lost 678. The number of beads left? Number 2. Plan. Think about how to solve the problem. Drawing models might help. Number 3. Solve. Solve with a plan, replan, or create a new one if it is incorrect.
Yes, teacher. I will keep all this in mind.
Hey Turbo Girl, do not forget to check your work and calculations after you have solved the problem.
Okay, teacher.